TV, the first fully digital TV station outside Metro Manila. News, views, fun, on demand. Now streaming live.
Hello mga Kadat TV, and of course, welcome sa show nyo na Your Dance Music. And of course, this is your VJ Migs, at ngayon, it's a very special episode para sa Your Dance Music kasi live po tayo, nandito tayo sa Jacob's Resto, and of course, there's a lot of in store for you. Siyempre naman, may featured artist tayo ngayong gabi, and of course, there'll be one of the featured artists para sa ating Your Dot Music. Okay, so maraming kaganapan ngayong gabi. So just to stick around para sa show nyo, Your Dot Music. Welcome back again to Your Dot Music. And of course, ito pa rin, si VJ Migs. At ngayong gabi, we have a very special guest. Of course, yung anak ng may-ari ng Jacob's Resto. We have Jed. Jed, may gabihin mo.
May gabi, sir.
Okay, kumusta man daron?
Okay kayo.
Okay, Jed, nata sa .tv karon. Jed, what's in store for them? Unsay may nakakaroon sa Jacobs?
Actually, karon it's a Saturday night man. So, na-juday banda karon, daghay tao. Full juda karon, murag daghay tao, puno kayo diri, makita ninyo.
Puno jud ta kay, puno kayo ta mga amigo, mga amiga.
And also, napod mi KTV diri, utro pod puno kayo. So, actually, every weekend jud daghan jud tao diri sa Jacobs.
Guys, dali na jud kay ninyo makitaan ang Jacobs, no? So, nara jud ta sa Mango Avenue. So, Jed, Jacobs, kano sa ni-open ang Jacobs, Jed?
Actually, last mga August lang siya ni-open. Soft opening August. Yeah, September na siya ang opening namo.
Jed, naman jud tay banda, natay karaoke, unsa pay naanay mga pagkaon diri?
Yes, natay mga lami nga pagkaon din. Nami ka ng pork chops namo, the very fat bastard, caveman pork chop. So daghan mig mga foods dire and sobra pas lami.
Okay, so not only nga natay pagkaon na, of course, na tay mainom.
Yes, nadyo tayo minom.
Naata diri tanan gikan sa alcoholic drinks, and of course sa mga ladies drinks, and of course nasa tay iced tea.
Yes.
Okay, so Jed, so thank you kayo, okay, for being one of our guests sa among show nga Your Dot Music. Invite them, Jed, para sa Jacobs.
Guys, if ganahan lang mo money guys, visit us lang jud. Narami diri sa Mango Square. Inyo ra mag-Google Maps, Mango Square, narami makita na ninyo kay we are right here sa parking area mi. Maklaro ra ninyo pakaagi mo. And I will be inviting you mas maayo inig weekends jud kay daghay tao diri. Puno jud mi, nami banda, nami mga KTV, and napod mi mga solo lang nga mga performance.
So, guys, Jacobs is the place to be. Nay banda, nay pagkaon, nay karaoke, nay mainom, nay daghan. Jed, thank you so much, okay, for guesting sa Your Dot Music. Guys, Jed Lanuza of Jacobs. We'll be right back, of course, para sa sunod na tong guest, si Mardy. Okay, ang nag-head ani sa production sa Weird Emily. Just stick around, okay? Welcome back mga Kadot TV, and of course you're still watching Your Dot Music, and of course VJ Migs pa rin, and of course nandito tayo sa Jacobs, and I have very special guest karong gabi, and of course the people behind Weird Emily Productions, and of course we have Marty and Paul. Woohoo! Yeah! Okay, so live. Marty, Paul, may gabi.
May gabi. Good evening everybody. Very good.
Very good. Yeah, man, very good.
Okay, so karon guys, okay, this is a very special episode because we're live here at Jacobs. And of course, sabi ko kanina that we actually have a very special event ngayon, launching ng MTV music video, tsaka ng song ng Aeons. And of course, the people behind it, Marty and Paul. Mards. Okay. Weird Emily Productions, mga kaibigan. So, Mards, tell us about Weird Emily Productions muna.
Yeah, Weird Emily Production has been in the local music scene for I think more 10 years, going 11 years, I think, focusing on local acts, regardless if you are new from the band or you already have an existing band. So, na-notice man gud na mo nga, daghan may og mga amigo nga wala nakatukar by
Okay.
kato nga time. Kaya ka nang daghan kayo may mga friends nga naay banda, siya sa nasa siya banda. Kay after just like a few events na mo daghan na kayo ni chat, nakana ko nga ing ani jud ta kauhaw sa ato ang music scene.
True.
Na daghan kayo ganahan makatukar, daghan kay ganahan ma-expose. So mo to pero kuya kanang na happy me kay growing gihapon ang ato ang community.
Thank you sa Weird Emily Productions nga natigaan sa jud sila chance. Kaya may uban nga kanang dugay na wala katukar.
Yes.
Inya na mga banda niya ganahan na jud sila mutukar. So thanks to Weird Emily makatukar sa sila balik. That's the reason why that we have Your Dot Music, because we would like to promote the local artists, mga homegrown talents, guys. Daghan kayo tang mga artist
Yes,
diri sa
kayo.
Cebu. Wala lang jud sila nakita, wala lang jud sila nailhan. So this is a great platform para ma-introduce na to sila not only to the Philippines but also to the world.
Kana.
Okay.
We are very proud to have this project. Dili lang kami pero actually dagahan kay may ani sa industry.
Guys, this is something to watch out. Nindot kanilang vision din. Pareho na yung vision sa .TV network and sa .TV live because we are promoting the local talents and homegrown artists. So, kita na sad. And so, Marge, thank you kayo. Oy, dagay salamat.
Ay, thank you so
Well,
much
thank you kayo.
Grabe pa ite.
And you're still watching Your Dot Music. We'll be right back. I'd like to introduce .TV Live and .TV Network. So, .TV is a new network. And of course, kuha siya kanang makita sa Facebook Live. So, we have .TV Network and .TV Live. So, .TV, nani siya news, and of course, commentaries, and of course, entertainment. So, Your Dot Music actually features local artists to support the local artists, ang mga homegrown talents na to. If you remember Mix, if you remember MTV, so ingon ana ang atong shows. Ang atong show makita sa lain-lain nasod. If you have your original music and you have your music videos, just reach out to us, reach out to me, BJ Mix, and of course, ma-feature ka mo sa show. By the way, Jay, Your Dot Music, ang kaning kuan, .TV Network, this is the first full digital broadcasting network outside Manila.
That's nice.
Yes, first digital broadcasting network outside Manila. So, kita na ka Cebu. Welcome back, mga ka.TV. Of course, this is your BJ Mix again. And right now, we are live here at Jacobs. And of course, without further ado, our next featured artist for our episode is a 4-piece rock band, okay, from Cebu City. And of course, they are assembled 2015. They're known for their classic rock. So without further ado, we have AN Twin. I'm here to stay dito na sa Your Dot Music. up mga Kadat TV? And of course, you're still with me, BJ Mix. And of course, we are still with your Dot Music. And of course, very lucky tayo ngayong gabi. Guys, we have a very special guest, of course, our featured band live. And of course, we have Aeons. Yay! Palapakan naman dyan! Because we actually have Aeons with us. And of course, ito na kakausapin ko. Yung vocalist, Shian, how are you?
I'm good. Nainit na kayo. So, sobrang ka-tense ba?
Okay, guys, init kayo. This is one of the hottest bands here in Cebu. So, Shi, okay, kumusta man ang Aeons ka ron?
Okay na kayo, sir. Okay na. Wala ko masabi as in.
Kinsa may naghimoan ng I'm here to stay? Ikaw?
I guess what, ano?
Unsa man imong kuan na, unsa imong kana inspiration sa you're here to stay? I'm here to stay.
About ng story ana is about namon ni Jao.
About na
Gisuwat na ako na 2011 pa.
2011 nya karon na nakuan.
Yes, mo bitaw lipay kayo.
Mama niya ganahan na sad ka nga nakay kuan. Nakay song. Okay, so the lyrics of the song was made by you. How about the melody?
Ako sad, ako igabuhat sa rhythm. Ako igakuha na natin. Then ano lang ni Jao para masupra nila.
Okay. Yam, how was it playing for Aeons?
Different level.
Different level jud.
Sa tanang bands nga akong na drama.
Nadaman. Okay, and of course we have Mags. Atong bass guitarist, kita mo ganina. Ang buhok straight kayo. Mags, imo ning gipariban. Pareho mo, di ba? Pila nakaka-year sa Aeons?
Doon namin William.
Doon na mong William dyan. Oh, so good. Of course, we have Mags on bass. And of course, guys, dili mo kompleto kung wala itong pinaka kuya kayong gitarista, guys. Si Jao. Jao, ikaw ang inspiration sa music ninyo. Ano ikaw man?
Di ba ko? Sa here to stay.
Sa here to stay. Ano ikaw man inspiration ni Shian?
Hindi kay because you write the song for me. That's all.
Ano English man? Hindi kay love kay ni mo si Shi.
Oo. Kay ipang international man eh. English na.
Jao, Jao, ikaw isa sa pinakamayong nga gitarista diri sa kuano Cebu. Jao, unsay mo maingon sa mga kabataan na to karon nga gusto sa mo maparihan nimo nga maay kay mo gitara?
Ako mga song is dedication and also syempre do what you do, love what you do and enjoy lang and also syempre be inspired sa mga sa like elite players, ba?
Di ba? So spoken kay si Jao. Long hair siya pero shy type. Okay, so excuse me. Sila long hair, ako short hair. Short hair. Siya na Jay short hair. Yan, nga na ikaw may short hair.
Kinanglan na ipatik og taas og buhok na rocker ka.
Okay.
Ilang ingon sana sila ka ng kanta ni Romel Peco nga dili tanang rocker. Abot basta mo niya.
So, yun mga kaibigan, mga Kadat TV, okay. Lingaw kayo, okay? Pero gamay lang tag-oras. We're live at Jacobs. Napagatukar sa Jacobs. And of course, thank you kayo. Yam, drummer, Shay, the vocalist. Thank you, Mags on bass. Yes. And of course, Jao. Yeah. We're Emily Production. Of course, Tribe Production. Daghan kayo salamat. Okay. Yes. Guys, keep on supporting. Oy, before tamo na ko. Oy, invite din nila. Assign ng mga tukar. Pwede na dyan kayo.
So, namin weekly gig. Just follow us on Facebook and search AEON, Ian Rock para makuha niyo kay sometimes 4 times, 5 times a week among gig. So, yeah. Follow lang dyan.
Okay.
Please follow us, kaya wala may kwarta.
Thank you, kayo. Thank you. Guys, keep on supporting Aeons and of course, all the local bands. Okay, nana si Marty. Okay. So with Emily Production, guys, keep on supporting Aeons. And of course, their music is already out. And of course, featured artist natin sila para sa Your Dot Music. I'm here to stay. And once again, this has been VJ Mix with Aeons. Yes! And you're still watching Your Dot Music. And of course, we have a very special guest, Nonetheless, okay, we have Ronji from Tribe Production. G, good evening. Good morning, naman.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. G, Tribe Productions. Tell us about Tribe Productions.
Yeah, we started like way back to 2022. I used to play in a band. We call it The Tribe. So way back 1995, 96, 97. Moto si Chef Fistal. Siya nakauna na ako reach out na we have to do this guitar fest. We had this guitar fest ni Chef Fistal. So, and the rest, mo na gito yung naitabo. And after that, we had some ambassadors. Amba. Grabe good. Second to na ako nakuhan. And then, Nikolai and international acts like White Lion.
Oh, okay. Yes, imuha ka tong White Lion, di ba?
Yes, of
Yes,
course.
sila ang nagdala sa White Lion dito sa Cebu. What's ang may inspirasyon na to sa pagtabang sa mga local bands na to dire?
Daghang kitag artist, daghang kitag banda, wala sila media or medium to reach out sa atong ilang mga kanta, ilang mga originals, ilang mga gusto ipa-show. Pero I'd like to commend you guys, .TV. You'll
Thank
be
you,
a
thank
big
you.
help yun sa Cebu, sa music scene. Of course, dili lang sa Cebu, all throughout the Philippines and all throughout worldwide.
Yes, as what he has mentioned, Mariomig Vision, no? Your Dot Music, and of course, our boss, our chairman, CEO,
Wow.
Juninho Padilla.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you kayo for bringing this up. Nawagtang na MTV, nawagtang
Yes,
na
of
Mix.
course.
So, this is your new show. This is for the local artists.
Here.
And
Right
of course,
here.
Yes.
VJ Mix.
Hindi lang ang Your Dot Music ang mag-support sa ato mga local artists. We have Tribe Production, we have Emily Production. Yes, we are really great supporters sa mga local artists. So, mga viewers, thank you sa kayo sa inyong pag-support sa mga local artists. So, once again, G, thank you kayo for being our guest.
I just have these few words. Let's keep on rocking.
Ronji, of course, from Tribe Productions. This has been VJ Mix. Daghang kayong salamat for watching Your Dot Music. Dito lang sa .TV Live and .TV Network, the first full digital broadcasting station outside Manila. Kita-kits, this has been VJ Mix, Your Dot Music!
.TV is a proud member of Philippine Press Club Incorporated